Women-led development, the key to Viksit Bharat. Team 3, one and all. As per the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, we are organizing this press conference on behalf of the Ministry and on behalf of the Sports Department, Government of Meghalaya. I'm very privileged to inform everyone that the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, with the collaboration of all the sports states, is organizing the second edition of the reimagined National Youth Festival known as Viksit Bharat Youth Leader Dialogue 2026 in New Delhi from 9th to 12th January 2026. It will also culminate with the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda on 12th of January. The journey began with a nationwide quiz on the My Bharat platform, which saw over 50 lakh young participants from across India. 2.5 lakh participants were shortlisted and invited to submit essays across 10 main themes of Viksit Bharat Youth Leader Dialogue. Out of that, 15,000 participants progressed further to the state level presentation rounds. Competitions were conducted across 677 districts with 954 participants qualifying for the national level in categories such as folk dance, folk music, declamation, poetry and painting. In Meghalaya also, there were many participants, but unfortunately only 54 participants has been shortlisted, and they underwent quiz competition, essay competition, and they also gave their own presentations in front of the jury members and in front of the observer from the ministry. Recently, on 2nd January, our Honorable Governor has met them, greeted them, and they will be leaving to Delhi today itself. That is all from my side.
Nodal officer for this Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue, and I am also the contingent leader for this team to Delhi. This Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue is a part of the 29th National Youth Festival, which will be held in Bharat Mandapan in New Delhi from the 9th to the 12th of January 2026. And this National Youth Festival is divided into 4 components. That is the Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue, Viksit Bharat Cultural Track, Viksit Bharat Design for Bharat, and Viksit Bharat Hack for Social Change. The Meghalaya contingent is taking part in the Youth Leader Dialogue, Cultural Track, and Design for Bharat. The Design for Bharat is a very unique program. It was an open concept inviting different technical institutions across India to create a unique innovation for the Viksit Bharat. So here students of Northeastern Yale University. One is Mr. Nishant Kumar Singh and Ms. Nikita Singh. They have designed a smart Bally watch. It's an assistive wearable device designed for their blind people to access information through touch of the watch. This project focused on reducing the high cost and bulky nature of existing Bally device while maintaining portability and easy to use. The watch aimed to display time and notification on Bally on the user wrist, making daily information and access more convenient, affordable and inclusive. Both of them at present they are in Delhi. They have on the 2nd they left for Delhi because they have to do lots of presentation, and we are proud that this innovation has been selected at the national level, and they will put up this idea in the presence of Sri Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, and other expert on the 11th January 2026. And as already mentioned, that 50 youths has been selected from the state along with 4 officials. And this program has started already 3 months back, from the month of September, October, where we had the online quiz questions, where 50 lakhs youths all over in the country, they took part in this quiz questions. And out of that, only 5,68,928 youths were qualified for the second round. And that second round is a essay writing competition. The youths were asked to submit a 1,000 words essay on one of the 10 themes of the Viksit Bharat Challenge. They were given 10 themes. On the 10th theme, they have to write the essay on 100 words. So out of that, only 5 lakhs youths were selected all over India. And in Northeast, it was 15,000. And in our Meghalaya group, the essay round, only 2,393 youths from Meghalaya attempted the online quiz, and out of that, 475 youths were declared winners. So, after this quiz, the ministry have sent us the hard copy so that it should be evaluated by the domain experts of different universities and colleges. So, and we have selected these jury members as per the guidelines of the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of India. After the evaluation of the essay paper, it was uploaded and it was sent back to the ministry. And the ministry after that declared 88 youths as successful from our state. Then, in the state level, we have the state championship where all these participants were called in person. These 2 stages was online, and the 3rd stage, that is a state championship, was in person. So the 88 youths, they appeared for in person and they presented their PPT on the 10th theme in the presence of the jury and a moderator. The moderator is a person, he is a ministry's representative. He has been appointed by the Government of India as an observer. He was here in Shillong, and he is the person who has the final decision was taken by him. And the shortlisting of the top participants from every track, they were all subjected to a leadership assessment round in form of personal interview conducted by the moderator. The final selection list for the national level was approved by the moderator. So 25 youths were selected to take part in this Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue, where these youths will be speaking on 10 themes, and also they will be speaking in front of the policymakers, also from members of the Niti Aayog. And 23 youths were selected from the cultural track. This cultural track also is very important. They will be performing the folk song, folk dance, declamation, poetry and painting in the national level. So they have been selected from 1,000 youths. We had a camp in Shillong where 1,000 of youths gathered in Nehru from the 1st to the 5th of December. And out of 1,000, we selected 23 youths to represent Meghalaya in the national level. And level, it is not only in the state level, it started from the block level. We picked up the youth from the block level to the district level, from district level to the state level, and now from the state level to the national level. So the team comprising of 50 people will be leaving for Delhi today and will be reaching on the 8th, and from the 9th the program starts. And on the 12th January, it is a National Youth Day. It's called National Youth Day. And on that day, our youths will be meeting the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and other cabinet minister. Thank you.
Viksit Bharat Challenge. Number 1, Team 1, Youth in Democracy and Government for Viksit Bharat. Team 2, Women-led Development, the key to Viksit Bharat. Team 3, Fit Bharat, Hit Bharat. Team 4, Making India the startup capital of the world. Team 5, Bharat's soft power, cultural diplomacy and global influence. Theme 6, innovation with tradition, building a modern Bharat. Theme 7, Atmanirbhar Bharat, make in India, make for the world. Theme 8, enhancing productivity through smart and sustainable agriculture. Theme 9, building a sustainable and green Viksit Bharat. And Theme 10, building a future ready workforce for Viksit Bharat. So these are the 10 themes. I want to share the program for all the events from 9th to 12th January. Day 1, there will be selection rounds of all the categories of the competition, and there will be visit by the state contingents to PM Sangralaya and National War Memorial, and also there will be orientation sessions about the festival to all the participants. So this is the program for day 1, that is on the 9th January. On day 2, that is on 10th January, there will be formal opening ceremony in the presence of the National Security Advisor, Sri Ajit Dovalji. And then there will be domain area experts like Sri Pulela Gopichan, the badminton legend, Sri Leander Pace, tennis legend, Srimati Palki Sharma, senior journalist and editor, Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, entrepreneur and owner of Asianet News Online, Sri Tejasvi Surya, MP of Bengaluru, and also the Ironman medalist, and Sri Hemant Joshi, who is also an MP, and they will be interacting with the participants, and they will finalize the presentations and moderate the group discussions. And then on the same day, state contingents will be hosted for dinner by Union Cabinet Ministers. Sri Sridhar Bamboo, ISRO astronauts, Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla and Prasant Balakrishnan Nayak are also invited for a dialogue with the youth participants. A cultural showcase called Colors of Viksit Bharat. And later there will be interaction by the participants with Indian women cricket team captain Susi Amanpreet Kaur.